y'all, welcome back to our channel for another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a how to make a chickpea stir fry. So the only thing you're going to need for this recipe is some canned chickpeas or bag ones if they soaked already. Drain the water out, some broccoli, some onion powder, some turmeric, some crushed red pepper just for a little bit of heat, some garlic powder, some coconut amino acids, some onions, some orange bell peppers. You can use any color you want. I just used orange because I was trying to just give it different colors. And then I have 2 cubes of vegan chicken bouillon. And then over here I have my potatoes already cooking up. So yeah, so you just need, like, this was only 3 very small potatoes, so I just went ahead and started frying these already. So that's all I got. So since my potatoes are already done, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my orange bell peppers and my onions. Oh, sorry y'all, it's getting cloudy. 1 second. There we go. And let that fry up some. And while that's frying, you just want to add in your coconut amino acids. Yeah, so you just want to add in your coconut amino acids. Not a lot, but enough. Because this is not as salty as soy sauce, so it's fine. Maybe about like 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of that. And just kind of stir around the mixture some. And now it's beginning to darken up. So you want to let that cook for about 2 minutes. Just for your onions and your bell peppers and everything to get soft. Alright y'all, so once your onions and your bell peppers are softened, you can just go ahead and add the chickpeas to the mixture and stir that all up in there. And now you just want to let that cook for about 5 minutes so that the chickpeas can get a little bit more softer. And then we'll add our broccoli. Okay, so now that the chickpeas has gotten a little bit softer, and I forgot to tell y'all, while y'all cooking this, make sure y'all keep your fire on no more than, I got numbers on there, so keep it on like low heat while you're cooking this, because you don't want nothing to start burning or anything. But this pan right here is a non-sticking pan, so it's kind of good, but you don't want none of your stuff to start burning or sticking to the pan or anything like that. So just keep your fire on low heat. And then you can just go ahead and add your broccoli in there. So when I tell y'all this smells so good, and I didn't even add the seasonings yet, I wish y'all could just smell this like through this video. It smells so good already. And those seasonings haven't even been added. So just mix that in there. Let some of that heat hit the broccoli. You don't want your broccoli to just get too soft to where it's falling apart. You want your broccoli to still be looking like whole pieces. Like I told you guys before, trying to stay away from the processed meat. So I'm just playing around with little stuff, trying to get different ideas and different fields of food. It's like, okay, so I don't have no lid to my pan, but if you got a lid to your pan, I would suggest that you just put your put a lid on your pan, on your pot, so that the steam can come up and hit that broccoli a little bit faster. Alright y'all, so this step right here is optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the vegetable broth to my stir fry, just so that while the broccoli is getting softened, the mixture won't become like too dried out. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of this vegetable broth, and I got this broth from Trader Joe's. It's a really, really good option for broths, because not all broths is good, but this one is. So while this is kind of steaming down. And since you got the liquid in there, you could turn your fire up just a little bit more to cook down the broth. And while that's cooking, you could go ahead and add your seasonings. You can add whatever seasonings that you want to. I already showed you the seasonings that I'm going to be using in mine, but it's your choice to just use whichever kind you want. So I got some turmeric, not too much, because I don't want this to be like no orange mixture. I have my onion powder, I keep saying I need a small tripod. Yeah, I really do need a small tripod for these videos. And then I'm going to add my crushed red peppers, just a little bit. You don't want a lot because I don't want this to be spicy. And then I'm going to add my garlic powder. Okay, y'all, so once you add your garlic powder, you can go ahead and add your cubes of bouillon, and then just let all this like cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And once you feel that everything is soft and stuff like that, you could turn your fire down to low and just let everything simmer together. If it starts to look like the mixture is drying out, you can just add some vegetable broth to it to give it more so it won't be so dry. So yeah, right now like my liquids is starting to like dry out of here, so pretty soon I'm going to be adding like a little bit more broth to this. So yeah, and I'm going to be plating this up with some rice. I know I should not be putting no potatoes and rice together, like two starches. Like that's something you don't want to do, and especially you don't want to do all the time. But that's what I have right now for the ingredients. Next time when I make this again, I'll use other things like, you know, like the broccoli, the chickpeas, the chickpeas, the onions, the bell peppers, and maybe like some mushrooms or some snap peas or just something else of that nature to go on top of rice, so that I won't have two starches and 2 carbs. Alright, y'all, so that is the finished results of the stir fry, and now I'm about to plate this up with the rice that I made, which was some basil and herb butter rice. So yeah, it's broccoli here. I'm not talking about that though, not so. I'm about to plate this up and show y'all how it look with everything combined. Alright, y'all, so this is the final results of everything all together. The chickpea stir fry with the rice. How it taste, Nasi? Good. It tastes good, don't it? Yeah. I see he ate all of his. I had to give him some extra food, right, Nasi? Yeah. Hi. How it taste good? You taste it? How it taste? Good. What it taste like? How it taste, hon? Nasty. Nasty. Stop playing me, Don. That's magic right there. That is magic. What it taste like? What you say, Yaira? You got something to say? Yeah. You got something smart to say? What it taste like, Yaira? Cause you tearing it up, but you talking trash. I don't know. What it taste like? Do it taste good? Do it taste good? Y'all be hating on my magic. That's all that is. How it taste, Irk? How it taste, Irk ball? A hot mess. How it taste? And you look a hot mess. Tastes just like how you look. How do it taste for real though?
You see it's still sitting there.
But you just got it. Stop trying to play my magic.
I know, it's alright. It's alright.
You just trying to get the camera off because you look a mess. That's all that is. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all try it out, make sure y'all let me know. Leave it in the comment below. Let me know how y'all like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And this Irk, look like poop. Whoa.
Doo-doo.
What are you doing? What are you doing? How you got